Networking isn't just a moment. It's a lifelong process that shapes careers and companies. This is your opportunity to invest in the future of business networking. At the Doers Company, we're creating real-life experiences, fostering a meaningful community, and building cutting-edge technology with one mission: unite doers to change the world. It all started with a dream and a festival. In 2018, Reflect Festival in Limassol began with just 300 people. Today is the largest tech and entrepreneurship gathering in the region, connecting every year over 10,000 founders, investors, and operators from Europe, Africa, and the Middle East. Our vision then expanded into a powerful ecosystem of events and gatherings throughout the year. Our event, Doers Summit in Athens, became the city's top founder investor event in its first year. Elevate Summit is attracting top players in the real estate and crop tech industry. Now, other international cities are knocking on our door to bring our events there too. We have seen incredible impact at our events. Co-founders meeting for the first time, investors discovering breakthrough ideas, founders finding investors, getting customers, finding talent for their team, and creating real partnerships. Just one connection can change your life. But we also saw something else: missed opportunities. A lot of people who should have met, they didn't. Because networking today still depends too much on luck. To change that, we created Doers United, a global networking platform designed to connect founders, investors, and operators. Using AI and data, it helps you meet the right people at the right time, from one-to-one meetings to curated group gatherings in your city. Business moves at the speed of relationships. And now, those relationships are more accessible and intentional than ever before. We want to turn 2D profiles into 3D interactions. Let me show you the first version of our Doers United app. I'm looking for a founder of a crowd investing platform, ideally based in Cyprus with European license, to raise minimum target goal €100,000 for my startup.
Okay, Stylianos, you're looking for a founder of a crowd investing platform with a European license based in Cyprus to launch a campaign for your Doers United app with a minimum goal of €100,000. To help me find the best fit, could you share more about the specific features or goals of your app?
Super Connector will understand your needs and curate a list of highly relevant profiles. When there's a mutual interest, the platform automatically creates a warm email intro with clear context on why this connection matters. Plus, Super Connector doesn't just help you online. It also invites you to curated small group gatherings in your city, AI-organized meetups designed to connect with the right people face to face. Whether you're raising, hiring, or expanding your network, Doers United helps you meet the people who move your goals forward. With Doers United, the Doers Company becomes a full ecosystem combining tech, real-life experiences, and a mission-driven community. Today, our revenue comes mainly from corporate partnerships and event ticket sales. Our next strongest phase of growth will be driven by user memberships on the Doers United platform. We have proven the demand, we have built the foundation, and we have assembled the team to scale it globally. The global networking industry is expected to more than double in the next 5 years. Now, you have the chance to be part of it. People are craving better ways to connect, and real-life experiences are more valuable than ever before. Through our partnership with Crowdbase, investing is simple. This round will help us expand our events and accelerate the growth of our tech product, bringing even more value to our community. Join us, own a piece of the Doers Company, and help us unite doers globally. Let's do this together.